Apple TV and the white light flashing, how to fix this problem. Apple TV and the white light flashing, how to fix this problem. Apple TV. When you have an Apple TV and the white light starts flashing, there is usually something wrong with the device. If you see this, it means there is a problem with the hardware. You should try to repair the unit by resetting the power to the device. In some cases, the light can blink 3 times in a row or even stay off completely. To fix this problem, you need to reboot the device. You should reset the Apple TV by downloading the latest firmware from the internet. After that, click on Start Repair and then you will have a new Apple TV without errors. Then, turn the device back on and you should be able to watch TV. However, this process may take some time and you might not have to spend much time on it. If you have a faulty Apple TV, you should first contact the Apple Support Center. This is often a quicker option, and they will be able to fix the problem for you. Another way to solve this problem is to perform a factory reset on the Apple TV. You can do this by force restarting the device to fix the issue. It is recommended to do this as soon as possible if the problem is intermittent. If the problem persists, you can also try the method of unplugging the HDMI cable and resetting the Apple TV. You should find the solution within few minutes. Connect a different HDMI receiver. Alternatively, you can also try to connect a different HDMI receiver or switch. This will help you to connect to the HDMI input. Ultimately, it will be free of errors once the device is restored to its normal functioning state. If the problem persists, the next step is to update the firmware. Once the repair is complete, the error will go away. If you continue to experience the issue, it will likely happen again. If the issue persists, you can try to restore it from the screen. However, this method isn't very useful if the device won't boot up. If you can't restore the device, try to restore it from iTunes. This will solve the problem quickly. If the problem persists, you can try to reboot it manually. If the problem persists, you should wait for about 2 minutes after restarting the device. You can also try to restore the device from iTunes. If you are using iTunes, you should be able to do this. The Apple TV will not recognize the device if you don't have it paired with it. If you're not able to restore the device from iTunes, try holding down the menu and right buttons simultaneously. The remote should be able to identify the Apple TV. If you don't get it on your screen, you can do a backup from your computer. The device is not paired with another remote. Another possible cause of the white light flashing on your Apple TV is that the device is not paired with another remote. If it is, try pairing it with your other remotes. Normally, it will work by itself. But if this doesn't work, you can use a third remote. You'll need to use your third remote to reconnect the device. It's important to make sure that the device is paired with the correct device. If you have an Apple TV with a white light, the first thing to check is whether the device is turned on or not. Then, you should try to connect it to another device using HDMI. If the latter is not the case, you can try resetting the device by pressing the menu and right buttons together for 6 seconds. When the lights are solid, the Apple TV is working properly. It is important to make sure that your TV is powered up. If the white light on your Apple TV is flashing, you should first try to restart it. If it still doesn't work, you may need to try a factory reset of your Apple TV. This can solve the intermittent flashing issues. Moreover, if you've updated the software recently, it might have a problem with the update. This may be due to a hardware failure or a faulty firmware update. Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, podcast, Apple TV blinking light.